Everybody doing today? Tinkering with Harleys. First, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed. It's been great. Keep watching the numbers growing. Keep the comments coming. Keep the questions coming. If you're watching these videos and enjoy them, by all means, please subscribe. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to adjust a belt and a rear wheel. So we'll get right to it. Now this is going to be a little bit over exaggerated. I've taken the top belt cover off so you can see that, and the adjusters right here, I've got them backed off, and I don't know how, yeah, you can see it, the little notch, that's where the adjuster goes into. Now these are on both sides. And here's the other side, and as you can see, I've got the adjuster backed off the same. What you want to do here, you want to get your belt tightened up, but you want the wheel running true and the belt running true. So what we've done is we've backed this off, each one the same side, right to the frame, and we used a straight edge so we knew exactly where we were. And if you can see, the belt has lots of play in it. Now this belt happens to be new. So what we're going to do is we are going to tighten up each adjuster the same amount of turns, but one side at a time. So we're going to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you do the exact same thing on the other side, which I just did. So now we're going to go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and at 9, it went right into this notch. So that's how much we're going to do on the other side. We just did 9 on the other side. So now we know that this wheel and this belt are exactly even. So now we're going to start to tighten it up. Well, wait a minute. We're going to need a wrench for this. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. We're going to go 5 turns. Okay, we did the 5 turns on that side, so we're going to do 5 more on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to do a few more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we'll come over here. And one of the most important things that you want to do is you want to make sure that belt is running true and straight. And that's looking, if I stop moving the camera around, now I'm going to show you a little trick on how to check the tension on your belt. If you can take it right here, just behind the primary, and turn it a quarter of a turn, the belt is tight. That's where it needs to be. So this belt is adjusted tight. Okay, now that you have both sides adjusted the same, these two adjust, the adjuster here and the adjuster on the other side, you just take and spin this lock nut up. Just like that. And both of these are 9/16. And you just take and you lock it in. Just like this. And you do the same thing on the other side, and the wheel and the belt is now adjusted, running evenly on both sides, running true. We've already checked the belt to make sure that's running true, and now you just take and torque the axle down. And now everything is locked up. So now you're going to tighten this bolt, or this nut. That's 15/16 on this, and the other side is a 1-inch. So you take and you put the 1-inch wrench on the head of the axle bolt on the other side. And then you take this and get it on there, and this gets torqued to 65 foot-pounds. Between 60 and 65 foot-pounds. And there's 65 pounds. You get the axle clip on, up, almost. And you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. So now you've just adjusted your belt. Your wheel is running true. And you're good to go. So that's going to do it for today. You have any questions, any comments, put them in there. And again, thank you for watching. All you who have subscribed, thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. So until the next time, everybody be safe out there.